I'm with my friend that makes the Lego houses, like usual. And she's going to be rating my fidgets. Because I have some new fidgets now from, yeah. So let's get started. Okay, so let's start with this anger relieving stress ball.
I'll say about a 3.
A 3, okay. Let's put this, you know, I kind of agree with that. Then this squishy owl, what I like to do with it is like, without it breaking, just like, and then it looks like it breaks, but just boop.
9.
Oh, that's a high rating. Okay, so 9. Let's put that right here, and the 9. I'm gonna make like a little picture. So 9. Okay, now this neato. 2.
This is gonna be a 2.
A 2? What? That's badder than this. Oh my gosh. I didn't know you didn't like it. Okay, Voldemort.
5.
Okay. You didn't even. 5. Okay. Now, mini mirror Rubik's Cube. That.
4.
4. Okay. 4. Then, normal Rubik's Cube.
2.
Mochi.
7.
7. Okay. Splat ball. I'm gonna stick it to the ceiling. Wait, I'm gonna try and stick it into where the ceiling is, where you can see it. Oh, they can see like that. Oh, is it that? Yeah, it's that. That did not stick.
Yeah.
Okay. I think I have to wash it to make it stickier.
Yeah. This is gonna be. This is also gonna be a 9.
A 9. Okay. Pink poppet.
It's fantasy-ish. 5.
Okay. 5. That is the blue puppet. Well, I show you the loud side on the pink puppet, so you get the loud side on the blue puppet.
6.
Okay. That's now fidget pad.
8.
8. Okay. Now DIY fidget pad. 9. Okay. 1 second. We have to get the door. We have another friend from that has came. So what we're doing is rating some fidgets. Vita is rating the fidgets.
5.
5? Okay. I don't really know if this counts as a fidget, but like you can like and like the texture things. I don't know why.
1.
1. Okay. Legendary. No. Ultra rare fidget spinner. 9. Okay.
Normal.
Another ultra rare fidget spinner. Same. 9. Infinity cube. 10. 10. Okay. Marble mesh. 6. Water timer. 10. Okay. So that's us rating all the fidgets. Bye.